Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lincoln Navigator entertainment system step by step. Start by powering on the main display and unlocking the screen. Tap the home icon to access media, navigation, and settings. Pair your phone via Bluetooth from the phone menu and confirm the code. Plug in a USB drive to play saved music and videos. Use the audio menu to select presets and fine-tune bass and treble for comfort. In this video, I will explain how to use Lincoln Navigator entertainment system step by step. Press the Media tab and choose your source such as radio, Bluetooth, or USB. Use the on-screen playback bar to play, pause, skip, and rewind content. For streaming apps, sign in on the display and select your playlists. Save favorite stations and set custom audio presets for city, highway, and night driving to keep sound consistent and pleasant. In this video, I will explain how to use Lincoln Navigator entertainment system step by step. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for hands-free music and voice control in the car or at home. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Lincoln Navigator entertainment system step by step. Open navigation and tap the search field or press the voice button to speak an address. Choose route options like fastest or shortest and review turn-by-turn guidance on the display. Enable traffic alerts and rerouting to avoid delays. Access weather and vehicle apps from the home screen to plan stops and monitor fuel or tire alerts while you drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.